Just get as close as you can, make him hit you. Get the helmet on, he's not gonna get in your face. Get on that rock right there.
I'll see you.
Come on, Aaron. Stay right there. Do not move. Let him fly at you. Stay right there. I'll get in close for support. Stay at again.
Get away if I start to run, I'm running. Come on.
Okay, closer. 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 Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Now clap your hands really loud. Jump on top of that rock. On top of it. Alright, hold it. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. Jump at the rock and push off and run.
What?
Come on, Aaron. Oh shit. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Stay there. Don't move. Stay on your ground. Pretend it's a bear. Man, you could freaking trap it this close. Try and run around it and then run away.
Oh, you're around that.
Stop, let it hit you. Did it hit you?